This is the chicken place. It looks busy.
Madeline, we're just gonna take pictures from here, okay? Okay. I'm gonna drive over and get the end because I gotta focus on this bridge. So it has a house, little outbuildings, and 2 barns.
Turkey. That's 2 more for me.
How many points do you have, Dad?
20.
I have 20 as well. I have 13, but whenever I saw the bats in the cabin... Oh, I claimed those too.
Those are the 2 I was just talking about.
Oh, she's climbing.
Huh? Oh, there's a third, 21.
Hi. How you doing? Can you see it from here? I think you can. There's nobody going. Do you want to park? Let's park.
This person's just gonna back into you.
It's the last stop. And then we're done?
This tripod is excellent. It's the right height and everything.
I am your daughter. I may be almost as tall as you, but I am not your camera tripod.
I love you.
Love you too. This is tasty.
You know what?
Huh?
The camera tripod never talks back.
Yeah. It's just such a cute little cabin. And everybody's just driving by it. I mean, this is literally what you picture when you picture like a small, cute little cabin, you know? Yeah, it has glass windows. Stairs are blocked off. Can't go visit the bats in this one.
Why is the stairs blocked off?
That's interesting. It's blue. Oh, is it not blocked off?
No.
I'm not going to see the bats in this one. This one looks laid out just like the last one, except minus the expansion.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
Bird's nest?
A second.
Please be careful. I'm not going.
Can I come instead?
Nope.
Nope. Actually, it's not like the other one. This one's a straight up staircase. Have fun.
Mother. Ow.
Are you okay?
Whoa! You could actually walk around up here.
What?
There's no taping off.
Do you have my phone? Do you have your phone? Do you have any flashlight at all?
Whoa.
Please be careful. Steep stairs. I also said they had smaller feet than we do. Do not even.
What?
Oh. Huh?
You don't want me to ask the gremlins to come out?
No, not at all.
Why not?
Any bats?
Doesn't look like there are any bats.
Huh. Are you done?
Looks like your regular old creepy attic.
Are you done? Oh, it's not an attic. It's an upstairs.
I've had... Actually, I'm gonna go over to this window.
Please don't.
Why not?
Because I'm not 100% sure of the stability of this thing.
Good idea.
Ugh. Just because you can doesn't always mean you should.
Yeah.
Two doors.
Technically 3.
But other than the main door, there's two doors. That's
Close
kind
the
of...
door, Mama.
Oh, this window's open.
Yes, it is. Close the attic door. Or upstairs door.
You have to lift that little latch up.
There you go.
It's so quiet back here. Watch for wildlife.
You know, this would be the best place to just sit and wait for bears.
Because of water. The water is really low right now. Please don't fall.
Oh, there we go. See, you made it through that right minute.
I love how that is the absolute highest standard.
What?
I made it down here without breaking my neck.
Please don't.
You can hop across the other side.
Come on.
And then run after bears. Join the bear clan. Hey, if one of them starts saying his name is Balloon, he starts talking, I'm gonna lose it.
I think